Hello everyone, please welcome and join me this step. Today I'm going to share with you my Jaguar. It's XF model and I'm going to change the reverse light to LED light. And once I'm going to change it, you're going to like it. So let's get started. These are the bulb H16. I'm going to use it's a 5202 and these are really nice looking light and it's going to be real nice and bright at night time. And I'm going to list the part number under the description. Please check it out in case if you want to upgrade your Jaguar. At this moment, this is how the reverse light look. Once I'm going to install the LED light, it's going to look really decent. This is the LED light has been replaced and it's really bright. This one is still OEM light. That one is much brighter. Wow, I love it. This is the original OEM bulb which we have taken out, and this is what we are replacing with. To open these, if you got a proper tool, then it's easier to take it out. But what if as a DIY you don't have anything? What I have done is I got the four. I just break one and I make it my own tool. So it's easy to open from the carpet. So we're going to pop this open. One here, just like this. It comes out. Second one is right here. That's how easy. On the rubber, take the rubber off. Just lift this much. And that's all you need to do. And now if we look at behind the carpet, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to lose these, just like this. See, once it's loose, then these are really easy to come out. Unless you have a bigger socket, you put it on and you can use a ratchet. So I'm going to take all these 3 nuts, then we're going to take out the tail light assembly. Once we take out the 3 nuts, we're going to push this one outside. If you look at here, right here, when I'm going to push it, look at the light will start coming out. So now the whole assembly, the tail light assembly comes out. It's a good idea that you open this by pressing it. So you press this one, then you pull it out. And this is the light which we need to replace. So on this one, we're going to press from here, and I'm going to squeeze it in. So once I'm going to squeeze in, so this is how it comes out. This is the one you need to press in, and you take out this one. This comes out. Once this one comes out, then we're going to press it again, and this one comes out. So when we take it out, if you notice the gasket pushed out, so just push it back in. If you notice, this is orientation. You have to be careful. 1, 2 tabs on this side, and 1 tab on this side. And if you look at on the socket, the same thing. 1, 2, and 1 on this side. So that's where it's gonna lock in. That's only one way it goes in. But if you try to push it in on other side, see, you heard the snap. It locks in. In order to lock it, we need to put this one in. And when you put it in, it slides in the grooves and it locks in. Same orientation on the bulb itself. If you look at 1 cut here and 2 cuts on this one. 1, 2, and then the locking mechanism right here which locks in here and here. So on this one, 2 cut, 1 cut on this side. So I'm going to put it in, turn it around like this, and then you need to press it in. That's how you put it in. As you see, nicely fit in. And now I'm going to put this one in and it will snap in. I'm going to turn it on and see if the lights are working. You know, bad light, then you don't have to open it again. Yes, it's working. As you seen, the light is working. Now we're going to button up. So I'm going to put these nuts back and we're going to tighten it. And then I'm going to put the carpet back. I'm going to put these push pins in, and that's it. That's how we do it. I'm going to show you the LED light performance. We're going to start the car. And we're going to use the reverse light, and you will be very amazed. Look at this. Such a bright light. Wow, there is no word for it. And if I can show it to you on my driveway, let me go on the other side. This is the back of my driveway, and that's only the reverse lights are on. You can see my both Hummers sitting in a driveway, and it's very clear. That's the reverse light. I hope you're going to like it, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Easy steps. This is a perfect upgrade. 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you soon with another DIY video. Bye-bye.